Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I am bringing you another video featuring CurlsCurls. I know y'all probably have seen this everywhere, all over Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, the headband wig. So I am really excited to try this because this wig is where you could just get up and go. You don't need any glue. You don't need any extra customization. You don't need to do anything. So this is what it looks like, and on the inside it has 4 combs, one on top, bottom, and on the sides. And of course it has this strap, so you'll see exactly how to use it in just a second. So I'm just putting it on and just fixing the front of it a little bit, and I'm just going to put the hair up. I'm just going to clip it away for a second so you could see what I do with that strap. It's basically like Velcro, so you just go ahead and make it as tight as you want it, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure that bottom clip, and that's it. You can literally wear it like this and go. You don't have to do anything at all. And this is what the curls look like. I love that it's literally curly from the roots to the ends. But y'all, this is how many headbands came with this. I'm thinking I'm gonna get maybe 1 or 2. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 5 headbands. And if you want to include the one that's already on the wig, that's 6. How can you beat that? And of course it comes with a guide. And I just wet my hair a little bit because I wanted to define the curls a little bit more. And I'm just using this Eco Styler gel. That was the first thing I grabbed. You can use anything you want, curling cream, any other gel, whatever you like. And I just wanted to see what it looked like once I wetted it. So this is what it looks like. This is what the curls look like. And the curls are popping even more. All right, and I just want to show you a few different styles that you could do with all the headbands that came with this. So this is the first one that I'm using. Is super stretchy, so if you have a big head like me, girl, you're going to be absolutely fine. It is big head friendly, okay? So this, basically, I just put it on and just adjusted it to how I wanted it, and that's it. But what I really love about this is I actually slept with this on. I actually slept with the headband wig on, and I just stretched out this headband even more because you've seen how long it was at the beginning. But that's all I did for that first one. And this one is a silky scarf, as you can see. So I just folded it into the shape of a triangle, and then I just rolled it up, and now I am just tying it in the front. I'm just doing a little knot in the front and then securing the ends of the scarf in the back. And that is it for the second look. So I know y'all are probably wondering if this wig is heavy or not, and it is not. It is super duper lightweight, which is definitely a must because I don't have headaches or anything like that. And also just a few FAQs about this wig. So this wig is the Kinky curly curl pattern. So it's the 3C/4A. It's 150% density and the length is 16 inches. All right, y'all, so this is the third hairstyle, which is one of my favorites. It's so simple, so easy, and I just love how it looks. And this headband is stretchy, just like the first headband that I tried on. And so for my fourth hairstyle, I'm actually going to keep this headband on and do a really quick 2-bun hairstyle. And I know I mentioned this earlier in the video, but with this wig, you don't need any glue or anything. Literally just throw it on and go. It's so convenient, especially with the bad hair days. Just throw this wig on and you're going to be good. You could change the headbands every single day, do what you want, but I love how easy and convenient this wig is. And last but not least, the final hairstyle. I'm just doing a quick, messy updo bun, and I can actually wear it like that. You don't even really need to do anything else to it. But I am going to try this other silky scarf, and I'm just putting it around my head. I did fold it as if it were a triangle like I did the first one, and I'm just tying it in the front, and then I am just going to secure the ends in the back, and that is it. I really love how versatile this wig is. I love how lightweight it is. I love all the different hairstyles I can do with this wig. I hope you guys try this wig. I hope you like it, and I hope you try the different hairstyles that I showed you. Let me know what you think. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video.